Okay. Here we go. Here's Sonny. Hello, you stupid little retard. Woof, 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 woof. There we go. So this is, pugs are what we call like God's mistake. But, because look at it. What are you even sniffing? But yeah, so that being said, yeah, guys, dogs are so fucking annoying. And this one, oh God, being around it while it eats, it's like listening to Jabba the Hutt have sex with himself. So fucking. Jesus Christ. Ew, it's gross. All right. I'm going to go put this thing away. Yeah, I know. God. Look at it. It's stupid. It like. Gross. Just snort at people. Have you guys ever had have you ever been in a room with like a really obese person? I had a writer's workshop with this big fat guy. Like, not all fat people are like this, but all of them are. This guy was just like a big guy. Everything was a noise. Like when he moved, it made sounds like Jello being like sloshed through a fucking slip and slide or whatever. And his breathing was just like, oh my God. That's what this dog is like. That's what having a pug is like. They're just it's like an asthmatic, but it has 4 legs so it won't die. God made you to not survive. Why did you live? Anyway, I'm going to go take this thing back. I'll be right back and we'll finish up the show. Ow! Damn it. I just kicked a fucking rocking chair.